A warmly good morning to all. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. As we have completed our first chapter, Maps and Globe, we are going to discuss the exercise. So be ready with your textbook, copy, pencil and note down the answers. Okay? Page number 164. Take the correct options. First, which of these is a man-made model of the Earth? Atlas, globe, landmark, bridge. So the correct answer is globe. Okay. Page number 165. Second, the word globe has been derived from the Latin word globe, globa, galena, globus. Correct option is globus. Okay. Third, which of these can show even a small locality on paper? First option is map, second globe, third atlas, fourth all of these. So correct answer is map. Okay. Which of these is not a type of map? Political, physical, psychological, plan. So answer is psychological. Okay. Fifth, which type of map shows you tourist attraction in a city? First, city guide, second, city plan, third, city track, fourth, none of these. Correct answer is city guide. Okay. Now question B, write true or false. Okay. First, a globe has no advantages over a map. False. Okay. Second, a map is very difficult to be carried along. Again false. Okay. Third, there is only one type of map. False. Fourth, latitudes are vertical lines on a map. It is also false. Okay. Fifth, 5 main directions are shown on every map. False. Okay. Now question number C. Fill in the blanks using words given in the help box. First is the political map of a country shows its state and capitals. Okay. Second, the latitude and longitude are the imaginary lines drawn on the surface of Earth. Third, a globe is a model of the Earth. Fourth, symbols are used to represent different features on a map. Fifth, the word map has been derived from the word mappa, which means napkin. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 166. Answer the following question. Okay. For this, look at the copy. First question is, what is a globe? Answer 1. A small model of the earth is known as a globe. A globe is round in shape. Okay. Second question, what are the difference between a globe and a map? So difference between map and globe are as follows. First is easy to carry globe. Large globe can be difficult to carry. Second, can show different places at the same time. Cannot show different places at the same time. Okay. Third difference is no need to turn around to see the other side. One needs to turn the globe around. Fourth, more detailed. Fourth point is less detailed. Okay. Now next question is, what are the different type of maps? Maps. Answer is maps are of 3 types. First is physical map. Second is political map. Third one is thematic map. Okay. Question number 4. What are latitudes and longitudes? Okay. Answer number 4. The imaginary vertical and horizontal lines on globes and maps are called latitude and longitudes. Okay. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and vertical lines are called longitudes. Okay. Question number 5. What is the use of a city guide map? A city guide map shows the different monuments and places of a city. Okay. Now your exercise is completed. Thank you.